Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make reels on Instagram with multiple photos. So before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. Make a reel from photos. First, you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on it, then you have to click on the plus icon and then click on the reels. So now it allow you to select any of the photo from your gallery. Let I select this. There's 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the 4 photos which I selected. Then click on the next, and now it will automatically pick in audio or music from here, or you select as you want, and then click on the next. So then click on the next for the video processing, and then click on the next to finalize it, and click on the share. These are the simple steps to make a reel on Instagram with multiple photos. Wait for the video to upload. And if you have any problem related to Instagram reel, we have a complete list on it and the link is in the description. Wait for the video to upload and I will show you that how it is viewing on the reels. You see that the photos are sliding one by one in regular pattern and with a music background. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have a problem in this video, again leave a comment and I will respond very quickly. Thanks for watching.